Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're unboxing an exciting new addition to the tool lineup, the Dongcheng Cordless Brushless Angle Grinder. We're going to take a close look at what's inside the box, go over the features, and see what makes this tool stand out. So let's dive right in. Introducing the high-performance cordless brushless angle grinder, designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts who demand power, safety, and convenience in one compact tool. Equipped with a powerful brushless motor, this grinder delivers a rated speed of 8,500 RPM for smooth, consistent cutting and grinding performance. It supports wheels with a maximum diameter of 125 mm and a 22 mm hole diameter, secured by a standard M14 spindle thread for compatibility with a wide range of discs. The detachable dustproof net helps protect the motor from debris, extending the tool's lifespan even in harsh working conditions. For added safety, the anti-restart function ensures the grinder won't accidentally start after a battery change or sudden power loss, while the auto-stop feature immediately halts operation if the disc loses speed unexpectedly, minimizing potential hazards. This complete set includes everything you need to get started: one high-efficiency grinder unit, two powerful 20V 4.0Ah lithium-ion batteries for extended runtime, a fast charger to reduce downtime, and a durable plastic carrying case for easy transport and storage. Whether you're cutting metal, grinding welds, or working on home renovation projects, this cordless brushless angle grinder offers the reliability, portability, and safety features to help you get the job done efficiently and with confidence, without being tethered to a power cord.
This is the Dongcheng angle grinder.
If you're seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.